everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm sitting with a trolley suitcase, a bag and a lot of clothes. So it means I'm traveling. Yes, I'm traveling tomorrow for a 10-day long vacation in Europe. So the weather in Europe is currently 18, 19, 20 degree. So I think I'll pack a bit of summer clothes and then some layering. So also a pro tip: never travel Europe without taking a few layering pieces, because you never know when it gets more chilled out, more colder. So yeah, without further ado, let's start packing. I'm Shruti. I make content on lifestyle, travel, fashion, beauty and vlogs around my life. So if you are new here, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get into packing. So I've got all these clothes which I think I'll carry with myself from the wardrobe, and now let's start packing. Now I have segregated into a dresses section, bottom section, top section, and lingerie and bags and accessories, skincare and makeup I have to pack. So first let's talk about dresses, and let's start packing all these in the packing cubes as well. So there are a bunch of dresses that I'm carrying along with me. So this is a blue tube dress from Zara. I'll pack this with me for a day outing or an evening out. I roll the dresses like this and then place it in the packing cube. I'll show you how I do my packing to optimize the space. Keep watching. The next is this dress I brought recently from Uniqlo. This is a rib dress in orange color. It's a quite summery dress. I really liked it. So let me also pack this. Again, the rule: just fold the dresses so that it takes less space. The next piece of dress is this gown I'm taking along with me. So if you want to see how I wore this and how I styled this, follow me on Instagram. I'll add the link below. So just follow there and see how I styled these pieces. So we are also planning a beach day in Europe, in mostly around French Riviera. So I'm planning to wear this on that location. This is a short dress, and I think since the weather is around 19-20, it will be a bit colder. So I'm thinking I'll wear this for some day when it's not hot, or when it's a bit cold, so that it's full sleeves and it's pretty much good length. So yeah, for the next category we have bottoms. For bottoms, I'm taking one basic blue denim shorts. I take it everywhere I go, and I'm sure I'll style this in multiple ways. If you have not seen my summer basic pieces to have, go watch it. It have few really good pieces that you should invest for this summer, so that you never goes out of what you want to wear. And so I'm planning to wear this pant along with this top. These both are sequins and like over the top basically, but yeah, I want to wear something jilmil type, and for that I'm getting this with me. Next bottom is this black skirt. Again, this is a very versatile piece. We can style it in several ways, so I'm just taking it. I've not decided when to wear, but I think if I'll go out for evening or for night or dinner or something, so I'll wear this one. Just see how much this whole bag is fitting it for me. Next is this skirt. So basically it's skirt from front, and from back it's shorts. So I really like this one. This give you very summery kind of vibe, this color. So yeah, this will also go along with me. Next, my all-time favorite pant is this. I really like the linen pants. I really like to style linen pants in summer. So again, if you have watched my summer wardrobe video, you can find this one there. So just rolling the clothes and keeping it here. So I think so. I'm also carrying a straight leg jeans so that I can wear it with any basic tops, and this is a blue denim jeans, and this is very versatile. So again, I'll carry this. So that's all for my bottoms and dresses. You see how much this packing cube has taken inside this one. So I really like this. I told you this is a game changer for all the packings. And yeah, just placing it here. By the way, just something that I want to tell you, if you're traveling Europe in summer, or if you're traveling to any destination, international destination in summer, try to get all your stuff in a carry-on that you can have with you inside the flight. Right now from Europe airports, we are getting lot of news like the travelers are not getting their luggage. There is a long queue to get the luggage. Sometimes they leave the luggage to some other destination. There's a lot of chaos that's happening. So to stay away from that, I'm packing all my stuff in my one carry-on and one personal item. These both are allowed with me in the flight, and see how I pack all my stuff there. So again, the next packing cube is here, and let's pack on the tops. So this is one mint colored top I really like, or this one from a local store. This is not from any brand. So, but this is a cotton one, and I really like this one. Yeah, just roll it and keep it. This pink one, again, one of my favorite, all-time favorite top. I wear it with like hundreds of pieces, hundreds of bottoms. I have worn it like 15-20 times till now. It's not been a lot of time since I got this one. This is a tank top. This is an orange color linen blend tank top, and I really like this one. This is so good for summer. Just all these pieces are there in my summer wardrobe video and how to style them. So just go there and check out the video. A basic one shoulder top is a must have. I've never traveled without some of these pieces, and honestly I don't remember when I traveled last without a shorts or basic this or a pink top. So again, a tank top, black tank top. You never know when you have to go out. Black is again a very versatile. This one I have decided to pair up with the sequin pant which I showed you for a night out. This white balloon sleeve crop top, again this is a very good one. Follow me on Instagram to see how I wore these. This is a corset top which I'm planning to wear with that black skirt that I am taking. This is from Zara. I really like this one, and yeah, we'll show you how I wore this one. A basic white t-shirt. This is a must-have piece when you're traveling. Even if you're packing very few clothes, if you have pieces like this, you can get a multiple wear out of. Ribbed grey tank top. You can again style it with multiple bottoms, and it will look equally classic. So as I told you, it's going to be bit chilly because the temperature is around 20 degrees Celsius. So I'm carrying a layer with me, or jean jacket. So I'll also roll this one here and pack it. Can you see how much I'm fitting all of this inside? So it's very good purchase. Always try to pack your stuff in this packing cubes. It's available in Amazon. I'll link it below. I've also mentioned few of the travel essentials that I travel with in an Amazon video. Just go and check it out, or you may find some good important things. For the hats, I'm carrying two hats with me. This one is from Zara. This is a new purchase. This is a bucket hat. Summer calls for a lot of colors and I really like this one. So I'm carrying this. Next is this beret. This I brought when I was traveling to Europe in 2018 from Paris. So yeah, this is one of my favorite beret hat, and yeah, I'll take this along with me as well. And that's it for this cube. I'm also carrying this zebra animal print blazer with me, and this is from Zara. This is a very good piece. I like to throw a blazer on. I'm more of a power dressing girl, so I'm carrying this, but I won't keep it in packing cubes because it has a solid puff here, and this will go bad if I'll do that. So for that, I'll just, for bags and accessories, I'm planning to carry either one of them. So for bags and accessories, I'm thinking to carry both of them with me. I'm not sure. Help me. What should I carry along with me? This is a nude bag which goes on all the outfits, and this is a statement piece for all the dinners and everything. So I think I'll carry this one. So this pouch has all my socks, lingerie and everything here. So I'll just keep it in the side. Just keep it in the side. I still have some place left. This is a jewelry box. I have kept all my jewelries that I'm taking with me, and this is a very good piece. Here is some space I'll keep. There is one more bag option that I'm thinking to carry with me. This is a backpack. This is a very chic, it's from Victoria's Secret. So yeah, I'll carry this one. This is another weekender bag that I'm taking along with me. So this will be a part of personal item and not carry on. So I'll keep this bag over here. This is all the skincare that I'm carrying along with me. You can see it's in a TSA approved bag. There is a separate video I have created for skincare bag. You can go there and watch. So this will directly go in my personal item bag. My sunglasses. Yeah, my sunglasses. Again, go inside this bag. A belt. I'll just accommodate something here. So yeah, you can see this side I have fitted it all, and again one more bag. This is a waist bag which I'm thinking I should carry along with me. I think let's keep it. As for shoes, I'm carrying this white slides with me for all the night outs and everything. And this is a white new sneaker from H&M. It was very inexpensive one, so I got this one. So I'll carry this along. Again, this is one of the packing cube, and I have this bag where there is a separate compartment to keep this shoes. So I'll keep this here. So I always travel with a foldable bag. So you never know when you have to shop a lot and then you need something like this. So it opens up to this size and then you can just fold it. I always carry a stole with me for beach destination or if I'm planning to swim or something. So this also acts as a cover up. So I'll keep this here. Yeah, and that's it. I think I'm done with the packing. I'll keep this one if I need to add something more. I'll keep you posted if I add something else. So for traveling, I'll wear this and this tee along with a black jogger. And yeah, that's it. I'll also carry a jacket for flights because it at times get very cold. That's it for today's video, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you like today's episode of Pack with Me. And also do not forget to subscribe the channel. There is a lot of travel content, travel vlogs that's coming up. It might be interesting for you. Yeah, have fun, enjoy. Bye till the next vlog. Take care. Bye.